Hello, Jake. How are you today?
Hi Emma, I'm doing well, thanks. Just a bit under the weather, honestly.
Oh no, I hope it's nothing serious. Maybe you need to rest a bit?
Yeah, I might take it easy today. How about you? How's everything on your end?
Everything's good. I've been planning our next lesson on idioms. They're so interesting.
Idiom? That sounds fun. I love how they add color to conversations.
Exactly. For instance, do you know the phrase, hit the nail on the head?
I've heard it before. It means something like being spot on, right?
Yes. You've hit the nail on the head. It means to be exactly correct about something.
Great. What other idioms are we discussing?
We'll cover, under the weather, once in a blue moon, break the ice, and spill the beans.
Awesome. Shall we dive into the conversation?
Absolutely. Let's get started. I'll begin with this. I was feeling a bit under the weather yesterday.
Oh no. Did you rest? That's important when you're under the weather.
I did. I stayed in and watched movies. It was actually nice to relax.
Sounds perfect. I think we all need those days once in a while.
True. Do you take a break once in a blue moon?
I try to, but work keeps me busy. It's hard to take time off.
I understand. It's important to clear your mind. How do you break the ice with new people?
I usually ask about their hobbies. It helps to start a conversation.
That's a good strategy. I often tell a joke to break the ice.
Jokes are great, but what if the joke falls flat?
Haha. Yes, that can happen. In that case, I just switch the topic.
Smart move. It's better to avoid awkward silences, right?
Exactly. Speaking of awkward moments, have you ever spilled the beans on a surprise?
Oh yes. I accidentally spilled the beans about a surprise party for my friend.
Oh no. That must have been embarrassing.
It was. I felt terrible. I did not mean to spoil it.
Accidents happen. It's part of life. Do you often hit the nail on the head with your guesses?
Sometimes, but I also have my misses.
That's normal. It's all about learning from experiences, right?
Definitely. It keeps things interesting. What do you think about today's expressions?
I think they're fascinating. Let's explain their meanings a bit more.
All right, I'd like that. Let's start with hit the nail on the head.
Hit the nail on the head means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or to be correct in something.
For example, if someone suggests that a project is behind schedule because of lack of planning, they're hitting the nail on the head.
Exactly. And when we say, under the weather, we mean we're feeling ill or not well.
Right. So, if someone says they're under the weather, they shouldn't go out too much.
Correct. Now, once in a blue moon refers to something that happens very rarely, like meeting an old friend.
Yes, like I only see my cousins once in a blue moon since they live far away.
Break the ice is used when trying to make a conversation easier, especially with someone you're meeting for the first time.
Exactly. It's nice to have an icebreaker, like a fun activity for new groups.
Finally, spill the beans means to reveal a secret or information that wasn't meant to be shared.
So if I accidentally let something slip about the details of a surprise, I'd be spilling the beans.
Spot on, Jake. Now, let's go a bit deeper into our vocabulary, shall we?
Sure. What do you want to start with?
Let's start with hit the nail on the head. Can you give an example?
If a friend suggests a solution to a problem that works perfectly, you'd say, you hit the nail on the head.
Great example. Now for under the weather, can you think of a sentence?
Sure. She's been under the weather, so she won't join us today.
Perfect. Next, how about once in a blue moon?
How about, I eat dessert once in a blue moon?
That's nice. Now let's move to break the ice.
I can say, we played a game to break the ice at the party.
Fantastic. Last one, Can you give me a sentence using spill the beans?
Sure, he spilled the beans about the surprise trip last weekend.
Great. Now, let's review these idioms with a few questions.
Sounds good. What will the questions be?
First, what does it mean if someone is under the weather?
It means they're feeling ill.
Correct. Next question. Can you give an example of when you might spill the beans?
Yes, saying something confidential accidentally.
Exactly. Third question. What's something you might do to break the ice?
Ask about someone's favorite movies.
Perfect. Fourth question. When did you last see someone once in a blue moon?
I saw my high school friends last winter, which was rare.
Great. Last question. If someone hits the nail on the head, what do they do?
They make an accurate observation.
You nailed it, Jake. Great job today. Let's end with a preview of our next lesson.
Absolutely. What will we cover next?
Next time, we'll talk about common phrasal verbs. They're really useful.
I can't wait. Thanks for the lesson today, Emma.
Thank you too, Jake. See you next time.